Welcome to our series of videos diving into the outline section of Plottr. And in this video, we're going to take a look at how chapters work in the outline view. So here you can see on the left is a series of chapters, and you can navigate to any of the chapters simply by clicking on the title of the chapter. So if we click on Chapter 8, you can see it brings up Chapter 8, the same with Chapter 4 or Chapter 1. We can also go to the right-hand side and scroll through all of the chapters. And as you can see in the timeline view, the chapters are set up exactly the same: Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3. Any changes we make in the timeline view will automatically update in the outline view. So for example, if we change Chapter 1 to Beat 1. Now if we go to the outline view, you can see it now says Beat 1 both here on the right and in the list on the left. And if we go and change it back, again, it will automatically update to Chapter 1 back in the outline. One final point I'd like to show you, and you've probably already noticed, is these colored dots on the left-hand side. Each colored dot refers to a scene card on an associated plot line in the timeline view. So here we can see Chapter 1 has one blue dot, and here on the right we can see main plot written in blue. And in the timeline view, that matches with the main plot line, which is also in blue. And the same goes for Chapter 2. Here we see one scene card for main plot, pig number 1 in red, pig number 2 in orange, and pig number 3 in yellow. And back in the outline view, you have 4 colored dots: blue, red, orange, and yellow for the 4 scene cards in the 4 plot lines. So this covers our brief introduction to chapters in the outline view. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below and give the video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for all our latest news and updates. And I'll see you in the next video.